Hi Teabuds! So some of you must be wondering, what is matcha? Well, don't worry, because in this video we'll be learning all about matcha and giving you a little demonstration using our iconic pure grade matcha.
Matcha powder is a type of green tea. Matcha is made using ground tea leaves, and most cups of matcha contain the equivalent of 10 cups of regular green tea, much higher than you'd get by infusing green tea leaves in hot water as is customary. One serving of matcha contains the same caffeine as a double espresso shot. However, it is slow-releasing caffeine, which means it keeps you feeling energised for longer with a sustained level of alertness and, crucially, without any of the usual caffeine-related jitters. The perfect coffee replacement if you ask us. Matcha has also been enjoyed for hundreds of years for its supposed health benefits, including boosting cognitive function, supporting metabolism, increasing energy levels and aiding alertness. To make a matcha at home, you will need a matcha spoon, a bamboo whisk, a handheld milk and matcha frother, a matcha bowl, some matcha powder, and your favourite mug. First, add 1 level matcha spoon of matcha into your bowl. Here we're making a matcha shot. Then add 100 millilitres of 80-degree temperature water to your bowl. It has to be 80 degrees to avoid burning the matcha. Use your bamboo matcha whisk to whisk up the matcha in a W-shaped motion until it's nice and foamy. From here, you can turn your shot into a hot matcha by topping it up with warm water. You could also turn it into a latte by topping it up with hot foamy milk. Make your milk nice and foamy by using the handheld milk and matcha frother. You could also turn that shot into an iced matcha latte by just pouring it over ice and adding some cold foamy milk. To make a matcha soda, simply pour the shot over ice and top it up with sparkling water. We recommend adding sweetbird honey or lemon syrup. If you don't have that, you can just use honey instead.
Bird & Blend is the destination for magical matcha. Whether you're stepping into the world of matcha for the very first time or you're a long-time matcha lover, you found the perfect place to experience all the joy that matcha has to offer. Explore our range of magical matcha flavours and all the tools you need, found online, in-store and in carefully selected hotels, cafes and shops. Come and enjoy the feel-good energy for yourself. We can't wait to see you.